Today, I am reviewing the Mebak 3 massage gun. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to serious muscle recovery, you really do get what you pay for, and after putting the Mebak 3 deep tissue massage gun through its paces, it is clear that this is a professional-grade tool designed for those who actually put their bodies to the test. If you work out daily or spend long hours hunched over a desk, you know that typical vibrating massagers just do not cut it because they only treat the surface. The Mebak 3 is a different beast entirely because it focuses on percussion and depth. With a 12mm amplitude and an impressive 53 pounds of stall force, this device actually reaches the deep muscle tissue where tension and knots hide. Many cheaper guns will stop or stutter the moment you apply real pressure, but the Mebak 3 holds its own, allowing you to lean into the massage and get that authentic deep tissue release that usually requires a professional therapist. One of the most helpful features for anyone new to percussive therapy is the built-in LED pressure sensor indicator. This is a game changer because it provides real-time visual feedback to help you find the optimal amount of pressure for each muscle group. It prevents you from being too timid, but also ensures you are not overdoing it on sensitive areas like the neck or near the spine. You get 7 different massage heads in the kit, which might seem like a lot, but each one serves a very specific purpose. The fork head is incredible for the paraspinal muscles and the Achilles tendon, while the flat head works wonders on large muscle groups like the quads and chest. Having 5 different speed levels ranging from 950 up to 3,000 rotations per minute means you can go from a gentle wake-up for your muscles to an intense post-workout recovery session with just a few clicks. Despite having so much power, the motor is remarkably quiet. It operates between 39 and 50 decibels, which is essentially a low hum. This means you can actually use it while watching television or sitting in an office break room without feeling like you are operating a power tool that disturbs everyone around you. It is also surprisingly lightweight at just under 1.7 pounds. This is important because when you are trying to reach around to your own shoulder blades or lower back, a heavy device can actually cause more strain in your hands and arms. The Mebak 3 feels balanced and easy to maneuver, and the compact carrying case keeps everything organized so you can toss it in your gym bag or suitcase without losing any of the attachments. For those of us dealing with the physical toll of a desk job or the soreness that comes from bad posture, this device is a total lifesaver. It targets trigger points and relieves that nagging tightness in the neck and shoulders that often leads to tension headaches. It is equally effective for reducing swelling in the calves after a long day of standing. The kit includes everything you need to get started, including a charging cable, though you will want to have a standard 5-volt 2-amp adapter handy for the best charging results. This massager is a thoughtful and durable investment in your own physical well-being. It is the kind of tool that makes you realize how much tension you are actually carrying once it finally starts to disappear. Whether you are an athlete or someone just looking for relief from daily aches, the Mebak 3 delivers professional results in a portable and user-friendly package.